guys, it's me Khesyinii here. Welcome back to my channel. This video is sponsored by PUMA.
This video is sponsored by PUMA Bodywear to be exact, and you guys can get all these pieces from Lazada, Shopee and Zalora. PUMA Bodywear.
Thank you so much for PUMA for sponsoring this video. They sent me a few items, more to body, swimsuit and like accessories like socks and stuff like that. But I'm super excited to try on. There is some that I chose and there is some that they have sent me. But other than that, let's just hop on the video because I'm super excited to show you guys what I got from PUMA. So they came in this cute little package, in this cute little parcel. I got excited so I tore it. But they gave me a bag inside. Oh my god! They gave me a bag inside. My name on it, so definitely packaged for me. There wouldn't be any fault. Alright, skip to the part where I'm unboxing one by one. Send me 3 to 5 items, and as I count here, I have 5 items. So the first I got is their short socks. It's gonna be perfect for all my sneakers, because you know how those socks that is like above your shoe is like in trend right now. So I got these socks, definitely a very cute socks. It has PUMA written on it, and I love the concept of these 3 stripes. It's super duper sporty and I can like match with a lot of outfit. Like I can go with black, I can go with white, or even colorful outfit. Just a touch of black pairs of socks is like essential for everyone's wardrobe. Secondly is when I wouldn't want my socks to appear, because some gowns wouldn't be nice if your socks can be seen, you know. So that is why I chose these socks, which is like just nice size for your leg, and it's super comfortable, and it also has the stripe with PUMA's logo on it, which is cute. And in this haul, everything is black because I tried to go as neutral color as possible. They even had so much more color. They had navy blue, they even have this in colorful version of it, but I went for black because that's my favorite color, and I didn't want to do a pop of colors in my wardrobe yet, because I'm trying to focus on that natural. I don't know what I'm doing with the socks, but yeah. So yeah, that's why I went with all black color. Everything else you're gonna see in this video is in black. It's boring but whatever, that's my favorite color. And actually PUMA actually sent this to me. Ooh, it's cute. That is super cute actually. That's like a basic black bathing suit that you can wear with anything. And trust me guys, I'm not the person who is like comfortable wearing bathing suit out, or bikinis, or one piece like this out. So I'll definitely wear it with a short. Oh, you can wear this as a normal top, like, cause look at that behind. Like it's open back and it's adjustable. That's the best part, it's adjustable. So, and it's open back. Imagine just wearing this with a pair of jeans, like a denim and a shoe. You're good to go guys. Like super duper adorable. You can wear this on the summer, and it's a very good material as well. This is the next bodysuit from PUMA swimwear collection, and I'm in love on how it fits, and the material is super duper duper comfy, and I love how it goes sling at the back. So I'm super I love that. But I'm sure if I get 10 lines, it's gonna look, but whatever, because it fits so good. As I told you guys, I'm not comfortable in wearing a bodysuit out, so I would definitely pair it with a shorts or with a pants, or just a casual pants, and even wear with denim jeans, as I told, would be perfect. I didn't have to cinch in because extra small fits perfectly. That's why I love PUMA. So the size is gonna be perfect for you guys. And just a size reference, I'm an extra small in everything except for the pants. Alright, next is also sent by PUMA to me their sports bra, and it's a super duper cute bralette. I am super duper in love with this bralette because it's exactly like a bra and it's gonna be comfortable and the strap is adjustable. So that's a good point there. Since it's an adjustable bralette, it's gonna fit me perfectly, and it has padding built in, which I'm not sure if it's gonna be okay for me. So let's just try it on and see if it's gonna work the best on me. Okay, I'm obsessed with this bralette because it's super duper comfortable, it's super body tightening, and it hugs my body like perfectly, and the back is just everything, and I can just see this being the best bralette for gym. It supports. When I say it supports. So I definitely would recommend this. Like, even if you want to go for a casual running or just strolling around the park, this would be the perfect bralette ever. Even you can wear this for swimming also. I would definitely recommend this. And I love the material because it's super duper comfortable and I can't see this cutting into my skin. Nextly, didn't have any Puma shorts for women in the category that I were able to be choosing. So I chose this man shorts, which was so adorable for a man. But I was just imagining it as a woman's pants. I hope trying this on would make me feel like it's comfortable. So men doesn't come in extra small, so I had to choose S, which is a smaller size in men. So I really hope it's gonna fit me kind of big, but it has drawstring in the middle, so I hope I can cinch it in to fit it perfectly. So it comes with a pocket at the back, which is zipped, so I wouldn't have to worry of my things falling off. And they also have a pocket at the side, where women's shorts is very hard to find pockets inside, but mostly sport shorts actually have. So yeah, let's try this on. Last but not least is these shorts from Puma, and yeah, it runs a bit loose because it's a man S, but anyway, it's super duper comfortable. It even looked good with this bodysuit, and yeah, overall I love how the pocket actually fits, and the pocket actually goes deep. Can you guys see that? Yeah, it goes deep down. So that's why I love men's shorts, and it's super comfy, and it's also definitely a swimwear type of material where you can wear for swimming. So overall, my experience with trying on Puma was super duper great. It was better than expected. I thought I'm not gonna like certain items, but everything is so beautiful and just perfect on my body. So I would definitely recommend this to you guys. Alright guys, so that is all I got from Puma, and I'm super grateful for all of this item, and thanks to you guys, and without you guys I wouldn't be getting all of this. So, and if you guys want to see more brand reviews on stuff like this or more hauls, just comment down below what brand you guys want to see, and I'll be uploading it soon. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want to see next. Till then, I'll see you guys. Mwah!